Did you know that many companies use software known as ATS to screen resumes before they ever reach a human recruiter? Crafting a resume to appeal to both these systems and real people is crucial to landing an interview. And in this video, I'll show you how to do just that, ensuring that your application stands out in the digital age. And if this sounds like the advice you've been looking for, hit the like button and subscribe. I've got plenty more tips to help you stand out in your job search. First, an ATS is software companies use to scan resumes for keywords that match their job description. Think of it like a bouncer at a fancy club. If your resume doesn't have the right keywords, it's not getting in.
If anyone comes to see you, I'll scare them away.
Wait, April, if you had to choose between these two ties.
And here's where tailoring comes in. Your resume isn't a one-size-fits-all document. It's like a custom suit. Tailoring is the difference between your resume getting noticed or getting lost in the digital abyss. You don't want to be the resume equivalent of Where's Waldo character, visible but hard to find.
Okay, glasses off. Find Waldo.
Let's say the job ad says they're looking for someone with experience in data analysis, Python, and visualization tools. If your resume says you're skilled in statistical reporting and programming languages, the ATS might not make that connection, nor will recruiters. Instead, mirror the exact language in the job description. If they say data analysis, you say data analysis. It's like being on a coffee date. If someone says they love hiking, you don't reply, yes, I too enjoy traversing through nature. Match their language.
Just gonna basically try to imitate Leslie. She still wears this. She had the patch sewn in.
So how do you find the right keywords? The easiest way is to ask ChatGPT to help you identify keywords in the job description. And here's how. First, copy and paste the job description into ChatGPT. Ask it to identify the key skills, qualifications, and responsibilities mentioned in the job description. ChatGPT will quickly highlight the important keywords. It's like having a super smart assistant, minus the awkward small talk or the coffee runs.
Hey, I'm thinking about getting a new phone. Do you guys like your phones?
I've never used a phone in my life.
What about you, Ron? Do you like your phone?
Once ChatGPT has identified the key terms, take a look at your current resume. Does it include those keywords? If not, it's time to update it. Third, use ChatGPT to refine your bullet points. For example, paste in a bullet like analyze data and then ask ChatGPT, can you make this more impactful? It might suggest conduct an in-depth data analysis using Python and SQL, improving forecasting accuracy by 15%. It's like getting a personal resume coach that never complains about coffee temperature.
No, my friend and I, we were going to the movies, and we stopped off and bought this cafe latte.
Mm-hmm. Well, what is that, like Italian coffee?
Yeah, that's right.
Half milk, half coffee?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. You take a sip?
Yes, I did.
Now, when you took a sip, did you notice it was hot? Were you able to sip it in your normal fashion?
No, I wasn't able to sip it in my normal fashion.
Now that you've nailed the keywords and the action verbs, it's time to format. ATS systems prefer a simple, clear layout. Stick to standard headings and avoid using images, columns, or fancy designs. And remember, ATS systems don't appreciate trying to read a resume in Comic Sans, especially when they're already overwhelmed with data. Here's a pro tip. Want to see how well your resume aligns with the job posting? Copy your tailored resume into ChatGPT and ask it to rate on a scale of 1 to 10 how closely it matches the job description you've provided previously. Now, don't stress if your score isn't a perfect 10. Nobody's resume is perfect. If you get a lower score, it could mean your resume needs more tailoring, or it might highlight gaps in required skills. Either way, it's valuable feedback that can help you refine your application or reassess whether the role is the right fit for you. Think of it like getting a karaoke score. Anything above 7 means you're on the right track. Anything lower? Time to refine those vocals, or in your case, your resume.
First, Freddy Krueger bought some pants, Oprah has a turtle farm, Peter Piper pee-pee poopy, Daddy ate a squirrel.
Before we wrap up, here's a word of caution. Use those keywords naturally in your resume. No keyword stuffing. Some ATS systems can detect this and flag your application. Also, remember, people will read your resume. Keep it concise, clear, and focused on your actual experience. And if your resume feels robotic, you're missing the point. Show your personality through your accomplishments. Just don't overdo it with the traversing through nature language. So to recap, tailor your resume to the job description, use strong bullets, and keep that format simple. Tools like ChatGPT can help, but the key is to mirror the job posting's language. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more career tips. Got a weird piece of resume advice that you've heard? Drop in the comments. I'd love to hear about it.